Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a tasty and delicious soft and spreadable cheese without preservatives, which can be made at home, that too for a fraction of the cost. This cream cheese can be used in cheesecakes, soups, pastas, dips, sandwiches, rolls, toasts, etc. Our recipe for today is super delicious cream cheese. Step 1. Ingredients for the cream cheese. You will need 1 liter of full fat or full cream milk, 250 ml or 1 cup of fresh cream. You can even use whipping cream as it has a higher fat content. Juice of 1 lime. 2 teaspoons of olive oil or butter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the cream cheese. Place a heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat and add the milk. Stir frequently to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add the fresh cream. Once the milk begins to simmer, add juice of 1 lime. Reduce the heat to low and stir continuously. The liquid starts to separate from the curds and the curds will start to cuddle and float on the top. If this doesn't happen, you will need to add a little more lime juice. Once all the milk has separated and the curds have completely cuddled, turn off the heat. Place a strainer with a collection bowl below. Ensure the strainer doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Place a muslin or cheesecloth on top of the strainer. Pour the mixture in the strainer. Collect the curds in the strainer and the liquid will be collected in the collection bowl. This liquid is called whey. Whey is rich in protein and can be added in soups to increase the nutritional value. It is also added in the dough to make the rotis soft and healthy. Some people drink whey as a protein supplement. You even get whey powder. Place the strainer on a bowl.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Rinse the curds with cold water to get rid of the sourness. Squeeze the curds to drain out all the water. Put the curds in a blender mixer. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil or butter. Add 2 teaspoons of whey. Check the consistency while blending and add a little extra whey if required. Using the pulsing method, pulse until it becomes a smooth and creamy paste. Delicious cream cheese is ready. This cream cheese can be used in cheesecakes, soups, pastas, dips, sandwiches, rolls, toasts, etc. Refrigerate the cream cheese in an airtight container and consume within 7 days. Do write a comment to let us know what you prepare with cream cheese. Also press the like button if you learned something new with this recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.